Hi there, students. A stool pigeon. Okay, a stool pigeon is an informer. Very often somebody who informs to the police. Very often a stool pigeon is a criminal who informs the police, who gives up his associates. But an informer, a sneak. Now, this phrase is very American. To me, it's American from the 20s, the 30s, the 40s, the 50s. You'll find it in crime novels. You'll find it in television series or radio series. A stool pigeon or a stoolie. And this is a stool pigeon is normally a criminal who secretly gives information to the police to help them catch other criminals. And this is your stool pigeon. Um, not, the stool pigeon is normally informing the police to save themselves. And the stool pigeon reports on the activity of others to law enforcement, to the police or the authorities. Let's see, the origin of this comes from hunting pigeons. Um, I think in the early 19th century, there were hundreds of pigeons in the US, and one of the ways of um, hunting them was to tie or pin a pigeon to a stool, and that would attract all the other pigeons, and then you could catch them. It's a decoy that's used to attach other birds, and that's the origin. So the stool pigeon itself is betraying all of the other pigeons, and that's the idea of a stool pigeon, a decoy for hunting. But nowadays, a spy for the police, somebody who informs the police. This is an American phrase. As a Brit, I don't think I would use this phrase at all, but Brits should understand it. It's about sneaking to the authorities. It's about informing the authorities to gain advantage. It's about um, uh, giving the authorities what they need. The FBI got a break when one of the mob boss's henchmen turned stool pigeon. The gang was wary of newcomers, suspecting one might be a stool pigeon. Although the criminal agreed to help the police, he was afraid that other members of the gang would find out he was a stool pigeon. Um, I hoped he wasn't a detective, or worse, a stool pigeon with an eye for evidence. Some stool pigeon spilled the whole plan to the police. Facing a long prison sentence, the driver decided to turn stool pigeon to secure a plea bargain. Yeah, they reduce my sentence if I give you the information. The gang aggressively searched for the stool pigeon who leaked information about their robbery. Watch out for that guy. I'm sure he's a stool pigeon acting for the supervisor of the factory. Nobody in the office trusted her after she played stool pigeon and reported their long lunch breaks. There is something about a healthy personality that feels naturally repelled by a stool pigeon. The plainclothes detective acted as a stool pigeon, intentionally carrying a loose wallet to catch pickpockets. The scammers hired a smooth talking actor to serve as a stool pigeon, tricking the crowd into buying fake stocks and shares. Historically, hunters would secure a live stool pigeon to a perch to lure the rest of the flock into a net. So formality, stool pigeon. 3.5 for informality. It's an informal phrase. I think I would use this in an informal conversation. It sounds like a line of dialogue from a TV series. Frequency of use. In the UK, very low. In the US, perhaps low to medium. So, stool pigeon. Bye for now.